Good morning, Rockhounds. Today is October 14. I'm on my way to Bancroft. As you can see, I just stopped to see the most beautiful sunrise on Burley Falls. My favorite spot to stop on the way to Bancroft if it's nice weather. It's really beautiful and peaceful. I'm on my way to Silver Crater Mine trip, and I will document everything we can very soon. Okay, we arrived at the place. I'm already parked by the mine entrance. What I'm taking today, it's about 3 kilometers. So I'm taking, of course, some extra batteries, flashlight, because I'm gonna go to the tunnel. I'm gonna take rubber boots, water, my backpack with some hammers, food, knee pads, socks, extra band-aids just in case. But today I'm gonna try to use my bicycle because it's quite a bit of hike. This cuts time really in half. Even though I can only go down slopes, but it really helps with time. So I show you when I get there. So I reached the very top of the hill. Forest is just so quiet, and I am so surprised that all the maples dropped the leaves. I was hoping to see some nice colors, but ash forest looks like it's just so peaceful and very you can see everything on the ground, except the ground is covered with leaves, so it's going to be harder to find good rocks. But if you know what you're looking for, you're going to find it. Now, that's the way to the mine. That's the way I came from. I didn't pedal uphill, I just pushed the bike. But now I'm going to go down. Just catch the brakes and burn my brakes, perhaps. See you down there. So, here we are. That's the adit, also known as a mouth of the mine. This is my wheels. My rubber boots are in the backpack. Let's see how much water we have. It's a little bit water. Just maybe knee deep. Let's see how far it is. A flashlight somewhere. I'll show you the rest of the footage from inside. Hello! So I'm ready. I just leave my shoes here, hoping nobody will repossess them. I have my wheels here. I'm taking my backpack with some food, flashlights, and I have this special light that I want to illuminate the tunnels deeper. Tunnels go about 400 meters, I believe. And I'm wearing my toque because there's some spiders sometimes in those things. And if they fall on your head, especially black widows, they bounce off. Alright, my son, told my son a few minutes I'm going here. He told me, don't die. At least he knows where I am. And I'm gonna start taping inside the tunnel. Okay, so here we go. This mine is not really dangerous. People always come here. That's where the entrance is. But I notice people put lots of, this is drilling holes from blasting. People put lots of branches here. I don't know why. Kind of annoying. Oh, there's frogs. People drag lots of branches here. I don't know why. See, the tunnel goes all the way there. I'm gonna show you when I get into those splits. So see this slush here? This is very silver. Maybe this is why it's called silver crater. That was mica mine at the beginning of its existence. But of course there was also apatite here. A lot of radioactive minerals later, but mica is this shiny stuff in here. So we're finally getting to the drier ground, and this is where the whole place splits in several tunnels. Okay. So the books of mica are here. You see how massive they are. And also you can see a lot of amphiboles. This is all mica. Mica. In here, in here. Yeah, that was the initial reason for this mine. But I'll show you some bigger books later. Now here we have a huge book of mica and a decomposition of some yellow substance, which also indicates that this is uranium-rich vein here, which was mined here also, batified and uranified. And probably this is where some of it came from. That wing could be a radioactive section of the mine, I'm not sure. This is lots of rubble being dragged out from here by rock hounds. Okay, this one goes, see this muck? This is very deep. We're gonna go this way. Let's see what's there. Anybody lives there? So mica's books are everywhere. And some of them are really huge. This is actually crystal. You can see this octagonal shape to it. And here, okay, let's find some apatites. Okay, this is an indent. You can probably see this is the end of apatite. And this is a flat wall on which was sitting. So this is my flashlight. So it's a log size of a, I don't know, massive baseball. So the apatites were here too. That's another one, the green. So rock hounds came here. This is some kind of shortcut. There's more apatite here. This looks like it's a rich apatite area. And the rock changes here. Let's see where it goes. Hello. This looks like the end of the mining activity. Yeah, rock changed totally to granite. Some gneiss. And you can see it's all different structure here. And then changes to the calcite rich zones, veins out, and then this is where main mineralization is happening, right here. So I guess they were chasing those very rich, oh, that's another apatite here, many actually. So when they were digging these rocks, blasting them, a lot of good rock crystals came out of, along with micas, like these apatites here. Anyway, that's pretty much what it is here. But this may be uranium. Uranite, this brown thing. I don't know, is it? Oh yeah, it's pretty sturdy. I may collect that and put it somewhere safe in my garden, so it doesn't affect my thyroid, as we learned at last meeting at the Workers Club. Anyway, that's all you can see here. Pretty much everything repeats itself. So, muddy, wet, and I'm lost. I don't know which way to go. I hope I get out that way. So this would be a cross-section of bataphyte. A very metallic cluster. And sizes of those minerals from here, they almost look like a soccer balls. And they very rich in uranium. And there's more of brown decay of those type of minerals throughout the walls. You have to just pay attention. So at some point I squeezed through a little opening and I got to this area that climbs up. You can see the kind of angle of it. So I came from down there. Oops, from down there. And there's like a little pinches out. I crawled through here and the air is right away a lot worse. So I'm not going any further. And it pinches in again over there. Pinches out there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of see in the main tunnels what else is there to see. And that's it for the tunnels. Let's go to this. There we go. Here. Somebody was doing fresh chipping away. And that's how we get out. Main tunnels have very good air, and this is where, see that little white thing? That's my disco ball I'm gonna put on in a minute.